duplicate entries of each employee with respect to date, so this video is for your concern. Insert a column, then use this formula. It's your wish whether you start with the date or the employee. I am starting the formula with the employee ID and then date, because I want to pick the data from the another sheet by using VLOOKUP formula. Now using VLOOKUP, I will pick the required data from the another sheet for my purpose. You can use this tutorial to derive your requirements. Subscribe to my channel for many more daily Microsoft Office tips.